Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make my delicious fried rice recipe. Trust me, this is better than takeaway. I'll be using some soy sauce. It doesn't matter if it's dark or light soy sauce. Then I've got bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter. I've got 1 stock cube. I've got some onions, bell peppers and carrots that have been chopped. So to get your fried rice to taste good, you need to cook your rice in some stock. So here I've got some chicken stock. Apart from giving a good taste to your fried rice, this will also give it a nice color. I'm adding the stock cube, the bay leaves and the butter to the stock. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to it. I'm using dark soy sauce, so if you are using light soy sauce, you should double the amount. Give it a good stir and then add your rice. I'm using 10 cups of rice. I'm going to be adding some hot boiling water from my kettle. Give it a good stir and then taste. If the saltiness is okay, you just leave it like that. If it's not, add a pinch of salt to adjust it. As you all know, I've been away for quite a long time now. This was because I had a baby. He's 8 months old now. So we've got a new addition to the Abena'sKitchen family. His name is George. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook until it's done. Our rice is done now. So we are going to move on to the next step. The secret to a good and delicious fried rice is to season every step. So I'm adding a pinch of salt to the eggs that I'll be using. I've already preheated some oil and I'm going to add the eggs to cook for about 10 seconds and then I'll give it a good stir to scramble it. I'm adding my chopped onions. I added a little bit more of the oil. So this is number 2 of my secret to a good fried rice. So the first one was to season every step and the second one is sesame oil. Just add a little bit of sesame oil to it. I let the onions fry for a minute and then I add my chopped carrots and bell peppers. I'm adding 1 stock cube to it. Secret number 3. Add some Chinese rice wine and your fried rice will never taste the same. Have you ever wondered why your fried rice never tastes like takeaway? This is the one. I'm going to let it cook for about a minute or 2 just to let the alcohol evaporate a little bit. I'm adding the rice at this point. As I said, I cooked 10 cups of rice, but I'm adding half of that, so let's say 5 cups. I'll repeat the same process for the other half. Another benefit of the rice wine is that it preserves your fried rice better, because without, fried rice goes bad really quick, but with the rice wine it stays a bit longer. I'm going to give it a very good stir until everything is mixed well. Fried rice recipe way there. If you don't try it, then you are doing yourself palm. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. Comment, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.